This video is like almost I'm walking with you. I think that मुझे कुछ कहना है. I used to think that life is meaningful because it has extraordinary events, the next achievement, the next milestone, the next journey. But lately, I have started thinking that life is meaningful in the quietude and the silences which we completely fail to notice. It lives in attention to small details. Few mornings ago, मैं एक क्लास के बाहर खड़ी थी. ऐसा कुछ मेरा खास एजेंडा नहीं था. कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी हो भी नहीं रहा था. It was just a child was humming in the corridor. There was sunlight streaming through the windows onto the books. There were leaves rustling outside. But उस moment में suddenly मैंने अपने आप को notice किया. I suddenly became aware of मुझे कुछ रश करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let me just notice what is happening around me. I think we are forgetting the art of noticing. It's as if जिंदगी हमारे आगे कुछ हमें देना चाहती है. The next milestone क्या है, next success क्या है, जबकि so much is happening around us right now. There is a very beautiful Japanese proverb, आपने न जाने सुना हो या नो. वो कहते हैं कि mono no aware, यानी be aware of everything which is current because it is so fleeting. इतना क्षणभंगुर है सब कुछ कि उसके ऊपर ध्यान दे. Because वो fleeting है, because वो क्षणभंगुर है, it is so beautiful because we pay more attention to it. That's what happens actually. जैसे चाय का प्याला ठंडा हो रहा हो, or the children are growing taller without announcing it, or there is a rain on the forest path. मुझे लगता है कि poetry trains our muscle for this. कविता पढ़ते वक्त we are deliberately pausing and paying attention to the words to understanding. And that is the way it trains this muscle in becoming more attentive and more aware of what's happening at the moment. Photography में भी इसी तरह का attention लगता है. A photographer doesn't necessarily wait for the right scene, A photographer basically changes the way he looks at the scene or she looks at the scene. And this is what attention does. It changes the seer, not the scene. And you know what? आजकल मैं इतना कुछ notice कर रही हूँ. I don't just walk past things like I might have done earlier. I notice sounds between meetings. I notice the tiredness in a teacher's eyes. I notice the way the evening light is falling on the desks when the children are leaving the classroom. Silence has its own feeling and texture. आपने यदि महसूस किया हो तो. Here is one small thing I thought I might ask you to do today. Just for a minute, before you move to the next thing, pause. Pause, pay attention to whatever is happening around you, and mindfulness, ये आपकी आदत ही बन जाएगी. कोशिश करके देखिए.